With the right ADMnext partner, the possibilities for your business are infinite. Your application landscape is the beating heart of your organization and the key to your healthy future. So, when one prominent pharmaceutical company was experiencing delays, failures, PO issues, errors, and payment problems, Capgemini's ADMnext applied our automation drive offering to craft a robust automation roadmap. A unified, results-focused plan for greater efficiency, cost reduction, and better time to market, centered on simple processes and IT automation. This roadmap delivered a host of real business benefits through the automation of incident analysis, standard activities, and bulk PO updates for gains in purchasing process turnaround time, cost savings, and process efficiency. A revamp of the order-to-cash process for improvements in dispatching, process accuracy, and order creation turnaround time. And automation of source-to-pay and application support for reduction in delayed payments and root cause turnaround time. This is expanding the possible. This is ADMnext.